And Derek with the Eliminex, we got some traps and the raccoons. He went into all 3 traps. He was tricky. So yeah, so I guess I thought somebody was interfering with my traps because they were closed yesterday. But here he is, just hanging out, just chilling. He's just sitting. That doesn't even look like a comfortable position. Oh, that's a big one. So this is raccoon number 3. Yeah, he's just hanging out, huh? Yeah, you're all nice and full from all the food. He's able to eat the bait from all the traps. And I don't even see the trays. They're like these plastic trays. I don't even know where the trays are. Would you eat the trays? Did you eat the plastic trays? All the trays are missing. Oh, here's one. Alright, well, we're going to take you for a ride. Oh, where's the handle? Hello. Where's the handle? Where's the handle for this trap? How am I going to lift this trap up? Oh, here it is. So he's going to go for a ride here. Oh. What's he doing? Hey, you growling? I'm going to take you next to your... I don't know if you're the mom or what's going on. But we're going to take you to the same spot we released the other one so you can be reunited. Okay? Alright.